So today I'm going to show you exactly how to get from Taipei's Taoyuan International Airport all the way into the city center using the MRT. I actually did this whole route myself, so you're seeing real footage, not just some guide I put together. If you're planning a trip to Taipei, definitely watch this before you go. It'll save you a ton of guessing. Just follow the MRT signs once you land. They're everywhere in the airport. Just follow this purple line on the ground. It'll lead you straight there. And here's the entrance to the station. This is where you'll grab your ticket. All right, let's go buy a ticket. Taiwan has this thing called an Easy Card. It's super convenient, so that's what I'm getting.
Please insert banknotes. Transaction completed. Please take the card.
And here's the Easy Card. And here's the MRT train. All right, let's hop on. Quick heads up, no eating, drinking, smoking, or bringing hazardous stuff on the Taipei MRT. They take it seriously, and you could get hit with a pretty hefty fine. Also, there's free Wi-Fi on the MRT, so even if your internet's acting up, you're covered. This is Taipei Main Station. From here, I'm switching to the MRT Bannon line to head to Longshan Temple Station. You just tap in and tap out with your Easy Card. That's it. This stop right here is the closest station to Longshan Temple. That's Taipei's oldest and most historic temple. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe for more real travel content.